How to fix queued email on Gmail. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, go ahead and launch a Gmail account. If you're facing such problem by not being able to send any of the email, first and foremost, you can go ahead and check out the storage of your Gmail. You can check it out by tapping on your profile icon at the top. Right here, you will see the option of storage used. So as you can see, currently I have used 74% of my total storage. If it exceeds, Google account will notify you regarding it. In that case, you can go ahead and clear up some of the unnecessary file, whether in your Gmail itself or in your Drive. After that, you can go ahead and try to send the email again. If that is not the case, second problem is due to your Wi-Fi. Check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can head over and switch into cellular data or enable the airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then turn it back off. Lastly, what you can do is you can clear the cache built up of your app. In order to do so, press and hold onto your application and head to App Info. From here, force stop, then tap on OK, head to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button. This should solve your issue. Hopefully, you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.